Question: what does a software developer do? Everything expected of web developers applies to software developers as well. In fact, it is assumed that software developers are also trained in web development. Beyond that though, software developers are skilled in writing the back-end parts of a computer program. The part the user doesn't see, where the important work is done of bringing in data, making important decisions with and about that data, working with information stored in databases, and driving the behavior of the front-end part of the program. Software developers typically spend less than half their time actually writing code. The majority of time is spent researching, testing, fixing errors, coordinating with management, etc. Therefore, in our programs, in addition to coding, we will teach you what to expect in the day-to-day life of a working developer and how to work as part of a development team.